Good morning, family. It is so noisy out here. I'm going to do a voiceover. Walk with me. All right. So these are my plantains, and would you believe I have 10 racks on my plantain trees? Yeah. There is 10 racks. So maybe in another video, I'll walk around the plantains and share with you, everyone. Of course, this is my sweet potatoes, and today, in between rain, I need to fertilize my sweet potatoes. If you've seen some of the leaves, they are yellow, and they're yellow because of all the rain we're having every day. Every day, family, we are having rain. Last 10 days, the next 10 days. But I'm going to give us some 511 and super juice today. Yeah, and we'll see what happens. But here is my big trees. Of course, they're still doing their thing, and it's still putting on a lot of fruits. This is my lemon tree. It's my lemon tree. Now, last year I had about 40 lemons on this little tree. This year, I don't have that many lemons, but the lemons are really bigger, so I'm happy. And she also needs some 511 and super juice because of all of this rain, y'all. Yeah, but I'm not mad. I'm gonna give them some anyway. Yeah, the lemons are nice and big, so much bigger than last season. So it's just a trade, right? Bigger lemons, right? I love it. I'll take it. Every day I'll take it. Whatever God gives me, I am blessed. I am blessed, family. Yeah. So there they are. And as I was talking about my fig tree, this is the biggest one. This is my soursop tree. And yes, I'm giving it some super juice. Super juice and 511 also. But you can see all the petals that's all around these trees. This is my plantains or my plantains. Yeah, whatever one you want to call them, baby. It's all right with me. And this is my Arabica coffee plant, and she's doing really good. She's back under the plantain trees. And my soursop, she love it. Yeah. My sunflowers are just big and beautiful. All of them are. They're doing wonderful, and I am happy about them. I'm looking forward to getting more seeds to plant more sunflowers. And matter of fact, the sunflower is my very favorite flower. Yeah, baby, she's the favorite. I love them, y'all. Yeah. But I have peppers. They're finally getting some yellowing on them, but they're in full sun, and they're really going slow. These are sweet peppers, delicious, but they're really turning red slowly. But I have patience, family. I have patience. I'm going to be right here waiting for them. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to them all, right? And of course, here is my weather. More rain. Yeah, every day, more rain. And the moringa, they all love it. Listen, the garden love it. I have a little problem with it every now and then. Every now and then. But anyway, guys, I wanted to talk to you all really about just us being really cool about processed foods and allowing people to cook our food for us. We go to the stores and we go in the frozen food department and we pick up, a meal of chicken, potatoes. Everything is all prepared. All we have to do is heat it up. Family, I just got a problem with that. Now, you may not have a problem with it, but I don't know what they were doing in their kitchen. I don't know if their hands was clean. I don't know anything about these people, and I'm gonna let them prepare something that I am going to put into my belly. Lord, listen. Maybe it's just me, y'all. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But here is my Italian and my black mission figs, and I've been harvesting so many of the Italians. But today I'm going back in here because I seen a honeydew melon back here. I was going to wait for Ben, but I decided I was going to go ahead on and brave up and go back here and get my honeydew melon because she's ready, family. She's ready. There she is right there. So I dropped some orange honeydews and green honeydews. That's another watermelon back there. But I wanted to get this melon because, if she just stay out there, she'd just die. And no. We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. We gonna eat this. So I kind of braved up, and those are my olives, and they are fat and plumpy. Ooh, I'm looking forward to them. But that's another fig tree. You see her leaves is all yellowing. It is just because of the weather, but she'll be all right. She'll be all right, family. So I got my boots. Oh yeah, baby, I'm ready. I got my boots on. And now I'm gonna get back here and I'm gonna get this orange honeydew. Yeah. And when I grabbed it, it just came right off the vine. Boom. She was ready. She was like, please come and get me. Come and get me. I got you, baby. I got you. So now I'm getting from out of the thick of things in this area, right? That's her. She's beautiful. And now I can get out of this and sit back out here and I can talk to you all without being covered in all kinds of tall grass and stuff back here. You know what I mean? Here we go. So this is my honeydew, and I cleaned her up and I put her in the refrigerator. I also harvested a watermelon. Y'all missed that one, but anyway, I did. And I have it in the refrigerator also. So we just going to let them get cool, and then I'm gonna chop them up and put them in a container, and I'm gonna enjoy them. Yes. Now the oranges, those are mandarin oranges there on this little tree. And yeah, they're doing good. They're doing really good. I even harvest some of those. I've eaten some when they were green, and they are really sweet. Yeah, they're sweet. Lots of figs and my pomegranates. I'm excited about them, y'all. Yeah. And now this is my Fuyu persimmon tree. Yeah. Now what I've noticed is that a lot of the leaves have been eaten off by a bug. But you all see this persimmon? And my sock is doing what she's supposed to do. Hold this little tree up. But that persimmon is the cutest thing. But I found a lot of crickets back here eating the leaves. Yeah, they're eating the leaves of my persimmon tree. But that's okay. I'm not mad at them. No. But they ain't there no more. No. But I'm getting from behind here. I wanted to check on the other watermelon, but they are all doing well. I think I have about 4 more watermelons. Yeah. So I've had some family members come and get elderberries, and the limbs are just hanging low because the berries are so heavy. But Ben is going to take some of the limbs down because they are just all over the fig trees. And when family members come in to get their berries, they don't respect the tree. And listen, I'm not mad at them, because one thing about elderberry, she will grow back, baby. She will grow back. So I don't have any problems or with her not growing back. So he gonna get it together. Hopefully we can get it together before more rain comes. It was drizzling a minute ago, but it stopped. And but this is still our sky. Yeah, it's still. Yeah, baby. Anyway, some of the things that has been on my mind is just keeping us motivated and engaged in our food so we can know how important it is. Growing good food and healthy foods, seriously, family, is not just for one season. No. Growing food is for every season that you can grow. Because, see, this is on you, whatever you choose. But trying to get a good harvest from your food to preserve it in some kind of way, it will help you in the long run. Now, can we grow everything we eat? No. Because of this world, we cannot go to a grocery store and just purchase some good food. It is very hard to even get organic foods. The reason is, and I just read a study, and it says that many organic farmers are now going back to synthetic growing simply because the FDA is making it very, very difficult for them to be certified organic. So your land must be free of synthetics for 3 years. They're making the application very difficult, extremely difficult for farmers. And not only are they making it difficult, they are making it expensive. Yeah. So you kind of scratch your head and say, why? It's all about the dollars. It's just the dollars. It's not about our health. It's not about what's good for us. Not at all. So when you buy, let's just say pepper flakes, you look at your pepper flakes and you go, oh, this is nice pepper flakes. They taste like pepper flakes. But family, in that container, 99% of it have not been grown. It's man-made. Straight up man-made. Man-made. And with that man-made product, there's a lot of carcinogenics in it. And what is that? It is. And it's causing a vicious cycle. The cycle is that you eat it year after year after year. Then you get sick. Then you go to the doctor. The doctor prescribes you medication. It's a cycle, family. It's a cycle. A lot of people gain weight, can't get rid of the weight. It's just a vicious cycle. I'm harvesting some of my elderberry flowers, and I'm going to put them in some teas I will be preparing. I'm going to dehydrate some for later also. But today I'm going to put some in my, some tea I'm making with melon, moringa, and my butterfly pea flowers. I'll share it with you. But this is my orange honeydew melon I harvest. Yeah. I got some seeds from the first half of it. This is my watermelon. I have it also. I put it in the refrigerator so she could get nice and cold. It's so sweet. And so juicy. Oh my God. And listen, ain't nobody here but me. The only person who's eating this is me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. So I made some tea today with some butterfly peas, some moringa, some mullein, and elderberry flowers. But I also received this catalog today in the mail, 720. Yeah, this tea was delicious. Yeah, baby. And of course, that is just some mint in there also. I did have a little ginger in it and some lemon juice. Yeah, it was delicious. But I'm still wondering, why did I get this catalog? And it's a 2024 catalog. It's the full catalog. I didn't order that, family. You know. Did anyone else receive this? But family, I'm going to enjoy my tea. And now I'm going to go take a ride. I'm going to go and see some family members. They are calling for me to be there. So I'm going to go over to some family members. I'll share it with you. So that's my okra. I have about 8 plants of okra. They're doing good. Chris and Cheryl from Back to Our Roots Homestead, they sent me these okra seeds, and yep, there they are, baby. There they are. Yep. And this is my pink guava. She's doing good. Yeah, she's growing. Yeah, she's doing really good. But I'm gonna make it on in the house now, y'all. We're gonna see what this rain doing. So this is a root right here from one of my old moringa trees, and I'm gonna get that root and just ground it up, and I'm gonna add it to one of my beds that I'm gonna grow many of my fall vegetables in. Yeah, she going in there. So it is getting late in the evening, and I'm just sitting out here. The sun has lost her punch. I'm just enjoying a few minutes out here. But now I'm going to go over to Holly Grove, y'all. I'm going to hang out with family. So my family have called for me, and they are putting together something. But I know whatever it is, it's going to be with family. We're going to have fun. And I'm going to enjoy my evening, right? I pray you all have a great evening also. But yep, I'm going to Holly Grove, y'all. You heard me? All right, family. You all have a great evening, and we will see each other later.